Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video covers the last step of deletion, emptying the Google Docs trash. Maybe you've done a spring clean of your drive and sent some old documents to the trash, but they're still technically there. Let's clean them up forever. So, let's start. Open your Google Docs application on your device and check if you are logged in to the application itself. By opening the application on the home page, look for the three lines in the upper left corner of the screen and click on them. On the next page, look for the trash option in the drop-down menu and click on it. And then on the new page, select the document you want to delete permanently. To delete, look for the three dots on the document itself and click on them. By opening a new page, go to the Delete Forever option and click on it. And that is that. Your selected document is gone forever. Emptying the trash frees up storage space on Drive and keeps things nice and organized. So, the next time you need to permanently delete documents in Google Docs, remember the empty trash can icon in the recycle bin, but use it with caution. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Google Docs hacks to keep your Drive clean and efficient.